Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show step by step how you can easily add a custom MX records for your domain on Namecheap. So when you're going to come here and under expiring, you're going to have domain list. When you're going to click on domain list, here you want to click manage next to August 25, 2024. Let's click manage right here. And right then you're going to have like a name servers. To edit the MX records for your domain, you need to have like Namecheap basic DNS. Then you're going to click advanced DNS right here. And then you're going to have, when you're going to be here, you're going to have like a mail settings. And you're going to have it for custom MX. And when you're going to do it, you're going to have like host. And then mail hosting provider that you're going to have. And then priority, let's say 10, right? And then you're going to save all changes. And that's how it's done. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.